Hello, welcome to all. So, in this today's session, we are going to see USB Universal Serial Bus Port, USB 2.0, USB 3.0. What are the different features and Type A and Type B USB connection? So, welcome to all of you for this session. So, I am Sachin Sambhaji Patil. I welcome to all of you for this session. So, first of all, we'll see USB. So features of USB. So USB means Universal Serial Bus. Okay, it is a Universal Serial Bus. It is a long form of USB. It is a computer acting as a host. So in this USB, computer is acting as a host, and there in this USB, the single USB controller maximum 127 peripherals can connect. So maximum 127 peripherals can connect to this, to the single USB port, and up to 127 USB devices can connect to the host computer. So maximum speed of the USB 1.0, it is the 15 Mbps, 15 Mbps. USB 2.0, it is having the speed 480 Mbps, and USB 3.0 is having the speed 4800 Mbps. So 4800 Mbps, it is nothing but the 4.8 Gbps, and it's supporting the plug and play auto configuration also, because we can easily plug and play any USB port. So there is no need of the any other kind of the no need to turn off PC. Okay, turn on, turn off PC while using the USB port. So I will show here. This is the USB. Okay, so we can see here in this picture, as shown in this, there is the you can see here in camera, this is the USB port. Okay, so this is the USB Type A connector. So this is the USB Type A connector. This is the USB 2.0, which is having the total 4 wires. So out of this, one is for VCC, another is for ground, and in between that there is 2 lines are for data. So for in case of the USB 2.0, okay, it is the working in one-way direction. So that is the from host to USB port to host. There is a one-way communication is there. But in case of the USB 3.0, there is a two-way communication simultaneously possible. So USB, this is a 2.0. There is only 2 wire. There are only 2 wires are for data lines. Okay, and USB 3.0, there is a 4 wires for data lines. For USB 3.0, there are 4 wires for data line. Okay, so this is a USB 2.0, and having the different data speed is also there. For USB 2.0 having the 480 Mbps, USB 3.0 having the speed of the 4800 Mbps, means 4.8 Gbps data transfer rate. So USB 3.0, we can transfer the any file, any data quickly or easily. Okay, so this is the USB 2.0 port, and which is the having the mouse or keyboard connectivity. We are using the USB port here. So we can see here in this picture. So this is the USB 3.0 4800 Mbps, and it supports the plug and play auto configuration mode. So USB can draw power from PC. As we know, if you are connecting mouse or if you are connecting keyboard, so how the mouse is getting the supply? Suppose it is getting from directly PC. So I will show you in this. You can see in this picture, this is mouse which is connected, and this mouse is getting the power from its PC only. Okay, so there is no any external power supply is required. So it is taking the power from PC only. So it is draw power from USB port, can draw power from PC only, and which is it's possible to easy to expand, which is having the high reliability. No need to reboot PC for plug and unplug USB from PC. So USB 2.0 cable has 2 wires. Okay, for power +5, and another is for ground, and twisted pair wire is for carrying the data. So 2 wire is for data, another one wire is for VCC, another wire is for ground, and it is in working in one, okay, at half duplex mode, because we can send data in one direction at a time. USB 3.0 having the 4 wire for data transmission. So USB 3.0 having the 4 wires for data transmission between host to USB, USB to host. So while USB 2.0 can only send data in one direction at a time, and downstream or upstream, so there is a downstream or upstream. So there is USB 2.0 can only send data in only one direction. So USB 3.0 can transmit data in both directions. Okay, it is possible, that is in full duplex mode. So yes, so USB 2.0 operating in half duplex, there is 2 data lines, and USB 3.0 operating full duplex, that is a transmission and reception of data simultaneously possible, which is having 4 data lines for USB 3.0. So this is the connector you can see here. This is the type A socket, okay, and from front end it is looking like this, 1 2 3 4. So USB port as shown in this, and this is type B socket from front end. Most of the you are using mobile, and to that mobile having the such kind of USB port, and this USB port having the 1 2 3 4 wires are there, okay, and this also one is for VCC, another is for ground, and remaining 2 will be for data lines, okay. So USB 2.0, this is the USB 2.0 having the only 2 data lines, USB 2.0, USB 3.0 having total 4 data lines, okay, and data rate of USB 3.0, it is faster than USB 2.0. So this is, we can see in this figure, this is the USB 2.0, 4 wires, out of that one is for VCC, grounding, 2 for data, and working in half duplex mode. This is the, we can see this is a type A connector. Most of the USB port, or even if pen drive is having such kind of connector, okay, USB 2.0, even if keyboard, mouse is having such kind of connector, and this is the connector. Most of the type B connector we have seen in mobile data cable. Mobile data cable, another side is having such kind of connectivity. Even if USB charging port is there for mobile, is having such kind of connectivity. This is a type B connector having the 1 2 3 4 okay, as shown in this. It is now starting the number from left to right, 1 2 3 4, type A connector, type A socket for USB 2.0. This is the 1 2 3 4. This is for type B socket, okay, for USB port. So these are very important, and these are the different features of USB. These are very important features. It is a universal serial bus, computer is acting as a host, single USB controller, okay, maximum 127 peripherals can connect, 127 USB devices can connect, maximum speed is up to, that is the USB 1.0 having the 15 Mbps speed, USB 2.0 is having 480 Mbps speed, USB 3.0 is having 4800 Mbps speed, that is a 4.8 Gbps speed. It's supporting plug and play auto configuration. So it is possible plug and play auto configuration in case of the USB port, because we can easily plug and we can play, we can easily use USB devices. Even if pen drive also we can easily plug and play. So while connecting pen drive, no need to turn off or no need to reboot PC. No need to turn off PC, we can easily connect and we can use it. USB can draw it is a supply from PC, okay, because whatever the supply is required, it is taken from PC. It is possible to easy to expand USB. It is having high reliability. Reliability is very good because any data loss does not take place. No need to reboot PC for plug in and plug. When we have to connect or disconnect the USB device from PC, no need to plug and unplug USB. That is the while plug and unplug USB from PC, no need to reboot PC, no need to turn off PC. We can easily connect. USB 2.0 cable has 2 wires for plus 5 volt VCC and another is for ground, and 2 wires is for data cable, and working in half duplex, either upstream or downstream. So is it possible to send data or receive data? USB 3.0 standard add 4 wires for data transmission, and it's working full duplex. Both direction data transmission is possible in USB 3.0. Okay, so USB 3.0 is faster than USB 2.0. So if you are USB 3.0, we can send the data easily through that USB port, which is having the 4.8 Gbps, and USB 2.0 having the 480 Mbps. So 480 Mbps USB 3.0, 480 Mbps for USB 2.0. So definitely USB 3.0 is having more data rate than USB 2.0. Okay. So in today's lecture we have seen USB type A connector, USB type B connector, and also we have seen USB, what are the different features of USB universal serial bus. Okay, so I am Sachin Sambhaji Patel. I am very thankful to all of you for watching this video. Keep watching. Please like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.